Beautiful fall morning by Neuse River in Raleigh, North Carolina. You can see the leaves changing, people biking on Greenway, and you see the fog on the top of the river. The river is breathing. So we are. This is how we mirror nature. When we breathe in the early morning, we can see we are also fogging the air close to us because of the temperature is cold. What other ways do we mirror nature? Do you feel you have more hair falling down in the fall and winter? Just like the leaves falling down. Fall, fall, fall. How amazing we mirroring.